Load make ready.
Well, and I don't have to wake up and talk to them and put my phone over that. Especially like they're on calling a Bonnie Day, they'll call it 3:15, 3:45,
$100? Yep.
5:20, 6 o'clock, they would have called it.
Are you ready? Stand by. Hip finish. 그렇죠, clear? Hip clear. hammer down holster. Range is clear. Time 27:48. Go.
Alright, we're going to try to do some tricky one-handed camera work here. I've recently installed a Haley skimmer trigger here to my Glock 17 on the right, and I was just going to compare it to the stock trigger, my Glock 19 here on the left. Both of these guns have been cleared, safety check, no magazines, nothing in the chambers here. I'll show you here on the Glock 17 real quick. Here's the take up on the trigger. Just have a tiny bit of movement there. Have a very clean and deliberate break. Here's your reset. Right there where it clicks. No take up after the reset. Release it all the way out. Then you have just a tiny bit. You hit a very solid wall there. I like that feel. And then you break. Over here on the 19, you have noticeable extreme amount of difference here on the take up before you hit that break point. Then you have a break there. It doesn't feel quite as solid and deliberate as it does on the skimmer trigger there. Then here's the reset. There's still no take up after the reset there, but there is a very noticeable difference both on the take up there and on the break itself. It feels very different. I'm very pleased with the skimmer trigger upgrade here. Haven't had an opportunity to take it to the range yet, but definitely looking forward to it. Thanks for watching.